Averna is a true story of entrepreneurship, and so are all the stories of the companies that joined forces with us over the years. The Averna stories begin in September 1999 with Adil Lalou and two of his friends. Their goal was to build a company that prioritized its customers and to really understand their product challenges. Together, they achieved very impressive success with solid growth very fast. Early on, they were able to expand their business with international deployments in the United States in 2000 and Asia-Pac in 2003. In 2008, they successfully acquired MindReady Solutions, adding substantial expertise in PCBA and burn-in test. That same year, Averna was deploying its first project in Europe. The following year, another acquisition took place in the United States called Dactron, which added a new level of broadband and DOCSIS test expertise to our team. Still to this day, Averna is at the forefront of DOCSIS, and our Jupiter validation system is still the industry standard for DOCSIS certification labs, MSOs, standards bodies, and modem manufacturers. 2009 was also the year Averna made its first deployment on the African continents. In 2010, our office in Japan opened, as well as our manufacturing facility in Guadalajara, Mexico. As it is the spirit of Averna, these locations opened the door for us to experience and learn about new cultures and take on different opportunities as one unified team. This is also during that year that we launched our global support offering. Soon following that, there was a shift in management, and I had the privilege to join in 2012. I got pulled into this amazing company, and well, I never left. Moving toward with the leadership team, we began the journey to become a global test and quality system integrator, fueling organic growth with a set of unique customers to whom we delivered complex test solutions, and looking at other potential companies to join forces with us. So in 2014, we acquired Colby Systems out in the Bay Area. This established Averna as a medical device and consumer electronics manufacturing hotbed, and more importantly, introduced us to Jem Carahan, our current VP of Western US and USA sales. Jem and his team brought extensive medical test expertise along with an enthusiasm and passion for finding the best ways to solve technical and compliance challenges in these industries. After bringing on the West Coast team, we knew we had a good formula and partnered with an investment group to continue our international growth. Europe was our next destination. We turned our attention in this direction, and this is where we met Kurt Ensign, now VP of European Business Development, and his team at T&M Solutions, which he founded in 1998. This acquisition was the largest move we had made up to this point, adding over 100 employees across Belgium, Netherlands, and Poland. As with Colby, the entrepreneurial mindset that was developed at T&M was very similar to Averna's, making collaboration easy. With this move, all Averna offices immediately got to the benefit from nearly 20 years of machine vision and optical expertise. This technology was newer to the rest of the company, and the vision team added a significant advantage to our overall offering. Looking back now, it's also an excellent example of what it means to be an Avernian. Today, through continued collaboration between our teammates, our vision expertise has expanded throughout our different offices because our teams are always generous to share and eager to learn. The same holds true for Darren Lingerfeld's team in Charlotte, North Carolina, when we worked together to acquire his company, NextGen. What is now the Averna East Coast brought their unique skill set and expertise in control system and mechanical test systems, perfectly complementing the existing team. After the acquisition of NextGen, with our solid presence in North America, Europe, and Asia, it was right time to focus on optimization of our operational model. We had, and we still have, an exceptional team spread across different countries, cultures, languages, and time zones. The goal was to always be one unified team while preserving the uniqueness of each location. So in 2021, we welcomed a group of new investors, which included Walter Capital Partners, Invest Quebec, and W Investments. Like the companies that we had brought on board, their vision was very much aligned with ours. They were entrepreneurial, very hands-on, and aligned with Averna's strong growth objective in every aspect. In 2023, we welcomed Jochen Weber and his Pronest team on board. Averna Germany, led by Jochen, was ready to go from day one, bringing their extensive battery and energy test expertise. Again, while the rest of the Averna team had some experience with battery, Pronest brought us to the next level with Battery Inspector platform and put us in a great position for the growing greener markets. Following the strategic positioning in the German market, we announced our expansion in the Czech Republic with the acquisition of Elcom. Led by Daniel Kaminski, Averna Czechia added over 150 new Avernians with their own unique skill sets and expertise, including the introduction of Averna's power electronics capabilities. That brings us to our most recent announcement made on August 1st, 2024, the acquisition of GS from Kimball Electronics. After North America and Europe, Averna's Asian presence remained to be established. Just under 2 months ago, we doubled our size, adding 600 new Avernians across Vietnam, China, India, Japan, and Silicon Valley. With them, they bring in-depth automation, vision, mechanical, software, assembly production, and test engineering capabilities that perfectly match our own, as well as over 160,000 square feet of new manufacturing space and Class 100K and 10K clean rooms. This is one of the most exciting chapters in our history. So now, here we are at 25. 25 years is a huge milestone, and I'm very proud of what we have built together. What was once a 3-man operation is now 1,200 employees, 20 offices, 11 countries, over 10 languages, and infinite expertise. There's no one else out there that can do what we do. I attribute that to all our leaders and company founders that have brought together diverse and amazing teams, to our board of directors that continue to believe in what we do and how we go about it, to our technology partners who work closely with us every day to deliver the best solutions, to our customers who continue to put their trust in us, and to you, all the Avernians around the world who make our solutions a reality. Test and quality is truly a unique specialty that requires passionate and creative outside-the-box thinkers. That is who we are, and together we will continue along this journey with innovation, teamwork, client focus, and performance. I'm very proud of what we have accomplished, and I'm excited to see what comes in the next 25 years.